Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the multiplication of a fraction of two fractions 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. How it 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 4, 8. Okay, multiplication. We know that when we add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, we get here we take the LCM of the two fraction 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 is the LCM. 4 into 1 by 2 plus 4 into 3 by 4, the whole divided by 4. That is 2, 2 plus 3 divided by 4. That is 5 by 4. This is addition. This is multiplication. Okay, addition and multiplication of two fraction. Look at it here. If 1 by 7 plus 8 by 7, here denominator is same, then 8 plus 1, 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Okay. Multiplying 1 by 7 into 8 by 7, we get 8 into 1, 8, 7 into 7, 49. Okay. This is the difference between addition and multiplication of two fractions. Addition, when we add two fractions, if the denominator is same, put the denominator here and add the numerator 1 plus 8, 9. And when we multiply two fractions 1 by 7 into 8 by 7, 1 into 8, 8, 7 into 7, 49. Okay. When the two denominators are same, put the denominator here. If two denominators are different, when we add the numbers, what happened? Add the numbers here 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 2, 2 and 4 are not same. Okay, so take the LCM. Here this is even number, then the always 2, when we discuss about 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, 2 and 4, the highest number is 4, that is the LCM. And also we take the LCM like this, 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 is the LCM. Okay, in this way we can find the fraction that is addition of the fraction and multiplication of the fraction. Thank you.